Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best of Mother's Bite. Treat yourself. It's almost Eid and could not stop myself without sharing this Eid special recipe, Shahi Khurma. It is a nutritious mix of savory dates, various nuts and milk. I have shared easy recipe where you need not to go in search of mawa. Take about 4 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, you need to put cashew nuts and fry them on low flame. Once they turn into golden brown, take them out. Now in it, I am going to add de-seeded dates which I have sliced them thinly. Once they fried, take them out and keep aside. Now add raisins and fry them till they grow plump up. Take 1 more tablespoon of ghee to fry soaked, peeled and sliced almonds. Once they become crispy, take them out and keep aside. I have broken the long strands of vermicelli, now frying them with ghee. Roast them on low to medium flame till they changes its color. Now take 1 more teaspoon of ghee and add 1 cinnamon stick and 2 cardamom. Let them splutter. Here I have taken 1½ liters of milk for 100 grams of vermicelli. Bring it to a boil, allow it to reduce 1/4 of its consistency. After 10 minutes, add roasted vermicelli and simmered in thickened milk for 20 minutes until they soften. Instead of mawa, I am using 200 grams of thick cream. You can also use malai or you can reduce the consistency of milk. In between, scrape the sides of the vessel. Add 200 grams of condensed milk to make it more delicious and creamy. Adding condensed milk is completely optional. Now it's time to add sugar. Here I have taken less sugar as we already added dates, raisins and condensed milk, which gives sweetness to our Shahi Khurma. You can adjust the proportionate of sugar according to your taste buds and usage of dates. So friends, here goes in my secret ingredient, fried cashew nut powder, which gives a delicious flavor to our Shahi Khurma. Let the sugar cooks for 5 minutes. After that, add all the nuts and dry fruits one by one, which we have fried earlier. I am going to keep some of the dry fruits aside for garnishing. These are roasted pistachios, which I am adding directly. Give it a gentle stir and switch off the flame. Garnish it with some cardamom powder. So friends, our super rich, delicious and creamy Shahi Khurma is ready. Hope you all like my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. Advance Eid Mubarak everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy.